Are you looking for Wing Chun training online and not sure where to start? For Wing Chun for beginners, I wanted to share with you these playlists that I have here. I cover everything from the intro to Wing Chun turning, I cover Wing Chun closing step. Over here, Wing Chun footwork diagram, how to create your own footwork diagram so you can practice your Wing Chun footwork at home. My latest Wing Chun training video is this one here. It's transitioning from Wing Chun footwork into boxing footwork. That's a good one. This video has 6 different Wing Chun drills that you can practice at home. Down here, these are all footwork videos that I've created. Here's the footwork diagram again. Basic Wing Chun stance. Intro to the Wing Chun closing step. This is the Wing Chun Hyunbo closing step. This one is closing step with a punch. Wing Chun terms. I even have Wing Chun terms available for you. You can go to my blog, and here is a list of the Wing Chun definitions, Wing Chun term definitions. This is also available for you to download if you like. You just click on this link here and you can download this list of terms. A little bit about me. My name is Chuck. I've been a Wing Chun practitioner for 16 years now, and on this channel I've created over 40 different Wing Chun trainings for you to check out. Again, the channel, Sound Survival Tactics, is the YouTube channel. These Wing Chun trainings playlists are at the top of the page, so you can go to my YouTube page and check out these different Wing Chun trainings. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below, and I'll leave links to the playlists, links to different videos to get you started. Also leave links to the Wing Chun terms on my blog that you can go check out in the description below. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for future Wing Chun trainings as they come out. And to start with, check out the Wing Chun footwork diagram video. I'll have it pop up here, and I'll see you there.